Nothing for me yet.
It's
Definitely
interesting.
a little bit of FOMO on that. Was not expecting that.
Really curious what we do if we come up and if we start testing VWAP right there at the 900s. If we start to see weakness up there, I might take.
What you got going on, Landon? You doing anything, brother? Making money?
Of course.
Let's go.
Landon's just making money. We need a camera for Landon's computer.
Feel like it would be very entertaining watching him trade.
I mean, he's making more money than us right now.
It's facts.
All right, trying to bull flag here, 880 area. We got obviously the 15-minute range coming up here sooner than later, but VWAP right now, 19,900. Nutty Bar did call this out earlier. You got to give props where props are due. Nutty Bar called out that push. Try to get back up there towards that VWAP. Will we get it? I think it's possible. The Nutty Bar. I think you got to eat a Nutty Buddy now.
You know what?
Yeah.
Nutty Buddy. He's eating a Nutty Buddy time. Time for a Nutty Buddy.
I just hope we don't chop right after this. Like, if we just chop for next hour after this move.
Officially cold. Great.
Ooh, he's going for it.
Wow, what a squeeze.
He's going for it. On stream, Nutty Bar action.
Counter trend trading, baby. That's how it's done.
Nutty Bar.
It's great.
Nutty Bar is eating it. Nutty Bar.
Legendary Nutty Bar. All right, so let's see. We kind of maybe a little bit more pullback here before going higher. Just watching.
He's eating 2 Nutty Bars. Is that 2?
No, they come
You're
in
eating
pairs.
2?
They come in
so,
pairs.
so it's 2.
He's addicted too.
If
That
they
like-
come in pairs, it's 2.
Wait, what?
They
It's
come
2
in
of 'em.
pairs.
Yeah, it comes in pairs, so it is 2. Nutty Bar's eating 2 Nutty Bars. Breakdown. What was that? What was that trade idea for you, Nutty Bar? What were you looking at? Why did you like that
as
trade?
soon as when we didn't make new lows, then I just, once we got above.
Well,
that
you were looking to get
previous
back above the 820 area.
826s, yeah, that basically a breakout above the 820s.
I mean, it played out beautifully. So congrats to that. Are you feeling good about it? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. We locked in take profit trader. We can take a $600 payout.
Hell yeah. Look at this. Still going higher.
All right, we got about getting
Almost to
ready
the VWAP
test.
there. VWAP at the 19,900s.
Yep. This is kind of where I'm eyeing possibly taking a stab short. Oh no.
All right. Obviously, some pullback here after that big old squeezy McSqueezers into the upside. And then see how these Bears play.
Okay, guys, you saw this is market open, not with the Nasdaq. This is with the S&P 500 futures. Okay, they are more tradable. As you can see here, you can get the profit. Okay, don't let the trades go to a stop or something. If you want $150, $100, just get it out. Okay, so and you go compounding. Okay, so that's how it works.